serious?
Yeah.
You have a setup and everything?
Yeah, isn't it lovely?
Oh my god.
Look at this cute pillow.
Look at me.
You wanna kiss my butt? Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Kainoa coming at you guys again this week with
Another lovely video.
And you know what? Now that I'm old, 17 years young,
I got a job, I got money.
I can do this thing called shopping. And I've never been like Black Friday shopping, so this is my first time that I'm actually gonna go out to Black Friday shopping. Right now it is Thanksgiving Day. It is about 6:40 in the evening, and my friend is picking me up at 6. Not 6, I meant 7. My friend is picking me up at 7, and I figured that I'd bring you guys along with me because you know what? Why not? Virgin shopper, Virgin Black Friday shopper. Yeah. Of course, before we get started with this video, make sure to click that subscribe button down below and also give this video a big thumbs up. I said it backwards, but who cares? But yeah. Hey guys, okay, so I am in Target with my lovely friends over here. We're in Target, and for me it's crowded because this is my first Black Friday. Everybody else says it's not crowded, so, yeah, I think it's crowded.
Hello.
Look at this cute pillow.
Look at me.
No, look at the pillow. It's so cute. Alex, look at this.
Oh wow,
Right?
stunning. Do you vlog?
Yeah.
Do you really have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do.
Oh my god.
Is this like for real?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Serious?
Yeah.
You have a setup and everything?
Yeah, isn't it lovely?
Oh my god.
Makeup, it's cool.
Holy shit.
So we're about to leave Target. This is what I got. I got a hard drive because, I can. Alex got a bunch of blankets. Look at her. She's the auntie of the year. Peppa and JP them. They're all getting blankets. Okay guys, we got our Starbucks.
This is free.
It was free.
Free. Well, because they got Keppa's order wrong.
I paid for that.
Now we're going to Ulta, so let's go.
Thanksgiving. Thanks for living.
We are at Ulta Beauty.
Washing your face.
Oh, I thought it was like it vibrated.
Just kind of like. Is that recording? So shame.
Guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Bang, bang. So Raymar, are you ready for your interview?
All glow palette, great for all skin types, old, young, baby soft, grandma
Are they still gonna
wrinkly.
get something?
Okay guys, so
I think we're over it.
none of us have anything that we like. And I'm not into makeup, so yeah.
You wanna smell my butt?
Ollie World. Look, it's a free drink.
You wanna kiss my butt?
Okay, yeah, there's nothing, so we're leaving. Bye, goodbye.
You wanna kiss my butt?
We finished shopping at Target, we finished shopping at Ulta, Walmart, and now we are at Old Navy. When I was younger, my mom would always buy me clothes from here, but it would be like in giant lettering, and it would be like a really nice sweatshirt. After I got the sweatshirt, like I would turn it around and in huge lettering, it would say Old Navy.
No.
It's not even a cute label, it's like an ugly label, so it's not like anything like, oh my god, Are those Gucci?
Yes,
They are. There's no Old Navy.
No, yeah, let me hide.
So I got these cute shorts. It's gonna match my watermelon button up.
He judges this wicked world with righteousness.
They're preaching the word of Jesus, but they're not in the house of the Lord. Okay guys, so we were waiting in the Kate Spade line for like 30 minutes. We got tired of waiting in the line with the rest of everybody else. So we went to McDonald's, We got some fries, burgers. He got breakfast. Yes, sir. And now we're back at Old Navy because the sale started at 12. Okay guys, so we just got out of Old Navy. Now we're waiting for the rest of everybody to make it back to the car. It is currently 1:32.
You wanna kiss my butt?
You wanna find my butt? Cause it's not there.
Try to find his butt.
I literally only got 3 things.
then it's just
Hey guys, okay, so we just got to Ala Moana, we got to the other shopping center, and I went to Bath & Body, so I'm gonna be going shopping at this shopping center, and I'm probably gonna be spending a lot more money, because, you know, yeah. Look, I found my lovely friend Kimberly. Look at this bitch. Fuck it up. Okay guys, so I'm in Forever 21 and this is literally like my favorite store. I love shopping in Forever 21. I come here like a lot, but I'm not sure if I can spend that much money because I just bought a GoPro Hero 7. I bought a GoPro Hero 7 because I'm going on my trip to Kauai. So I literally just bought that at TNC. Well, today I'm not seeing anything that catches my eye. So, yeah. Okay guys, so I made it through the night. My first Black Friday weekend. I made it through the night. Yes, sir. Oh, hello.
Oh my god, I'm in the vlog.
I forgot to update you guys through the past couple stores. It's my GoPro. I forgot to update you guys through the past couple stores. Should I just walk out? Like, is this what it is? Is this still going off? To the past couple stores, I went to, what is it called? I went to Uniqlo and I got 2 shorts, and I also went to Zara and I got like beach shorts for my trip to Kauai. So I feel like I can't go in and out of stores because whenever I go in and out of stores, my GoPro that I bought is always buzzing off the alarms. So whenever I walk in and out, the alarms go off and people think I'm like stealing. Hey guys, so I met Keisha over here. She is so lovely. I came into
so
Sephora.
lovely.
Oh my god, she's so funny. And she works for the brand.
Pat McGrath Labs.
And like, I don't know what that is, but you know, she's, I don't know.
She's amazing. You need to look her up. She's like an amazing fashion creative
Okay.
makeup artist. Yeah.
Makeup artist. Okay, I got you. But she is so amazing. I just met her. She's lovely. She's nice. She's great.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I just wanted to introduce her to everybody because I
Happy
just
Black
like her.
Friday.
Yeah, happy Black Friday. Yes, sir. Okay, guys. So me and Kepa are back at the car. I was gonna say the train. We're back at the car. We got some Cinnabon, and you know we're gonna chill out, eat our Cinnabon, and just chill in the car while everybody else is waiting for this long line for clothes today. We're hungry. We're hungry. Eat my butt. You wanna eat my butt? Hey guys, okay, so I just got home. We actually ended up going to eat, but I actually didn't take you guys with me. But I actually didn't take you guys with me to go and eat because I was just honestly lazy to take the camera. And we also went shopping a little bit more. I didn't get anything. We went walking around a different mall, but again, I didn't take the camera because one, I'm tired. I was too lazy to carry it around. I have a giant DSLR, and you know, yeah, it's just too much like energy to carry it around. And I've been awake for a while, and see, I can't even speak good. I'm honestly was really lazy. But other than that, yeah, that was my first time shopping on Black Friday. It was great. It was fun. I spent it with good people. And yeah, I had a good time. Even though it was very tiring, I had a great time. I bought things. I bought clothes mostly. And yeah, so yeah, 7 o'clock on Thursday night all the way till it's about 4 o'clock now. And you know, yeah, that's what it feels like to be an adult. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click that subscribe button down below. And yeah, have a great night, day, or whatever you guys are having. And I will see you guys later. Bye.